if you look at it from the point of view of an individual who are experiencing life, and through those experiences trying to discover who he is and to fulfill the potentiality of his being, then you see the houses, the 12 houses, become 12 basic fields of experience. In each field, you are passing through, theoretically, a certain type of experience. And if you go through that type of experience successfully, which means that you don't shirk from any experience, but go through them fully, living your life up to the hilt, as it were, then at the end of that 12-fold cycle, you have reached at one level at least a perfection or a completion of human existence.